Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer video from Galaxy S26 Ultra to my iPhone 17 Pro. So I'm provide full guide. So this is a very easy and quick way to transfer. So simply you just open your photo apps and you just select any video. So like select any video, select the video, press on to share option. This way to you share any large video and small video and more video. Click on to quick share, press on and you get QR code and link. I'm just using QR code. Okay, and open my iPhone camera, go to photo section, just scan this QR code and I'm get this, press on this link and successfully share this. Press on to select all or select one by one, press on download, showing it to two different download as individual or download as zip file. I'm just select the first option, press on to download and download, check in, go to download section. Now successfully download this video. That's it.